I start speaking to it. This weekend at the Restore Conference, it was a very fruitful weekend full of a lot of good formation talks, good sense of community, all of us coming together to march for a greater purpose. Something I took away from the weekend was, all the fruits we received, all the good formation talks we received, now as the weekend comes to an end, it doesn't end here. Now it's time to implement the things we've learned into our daily lives as we go back to our regular schedule. If you've never been to a conference like this before, truly come with an open heart, open to the Lord, and an open mind as well. It's a very good experience, from the talks we've had to the sense of community that's built here, with the religious and the other young adults here who are ultimately here for the same goal as we are, heaven.